Hello, hello. What are today's messages? Let's pick a animal card. Such big cards. Swan, Grace, you who glides across the waters of my soul, bring me your wisdom and light. Help me transform into elegance and grace. Inspire me with dignity and the spirit of beauty. Pick one of these. If a tree is bent, every goat will jump on it. Thrive. There's enough space for the moon, her stars, not to tear each other down. Inspire. There's a fire inside you burning brighter than the sun. All right, which envelope has our quotes today? I'm digging this one today. Five things to quit right now. Engaging in negative conversations and self-talk. Thinking that you can't do a thing. Saying I can't afford it. Because what you say becomes true. Waiting to take action. Visualizing the worst case scenarios. Don't let anyone ruin your day. It's your day. Ruin it yourself. I'm the boss of me, and that is absolutely the problem. Cute. Healing is a formula. Add what heals, subtract what hurts, learn from what goes, and cherish what stays. This weekend's forecast shows a 0 chance of cooking or cleaning, with a good chance of laying around in my pajamas. Those are sometimes the best. Life is short. It is up to you to make it sweet. Sarah Louise. The last one today. Time decides who you meet in life. Your heart decides who you want in your life. And your behavior decides who stays in your life. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.